When we talk about digital transformation, I think we should really talk about the ecosystem in general. So for the government, for instance, we need to be able to deliver government to business services. For citizens, we need to be able to deploy government to citizen services. And for these two to take place, we need to have an internal government to government services.
To me, it's all about, let's look at my business strategy overall and how can I infuse AI and digital tools into that business strategy.
It is necessary to really implement agile systems and systems that respect digital sustainability, which means that when we are using computer systems, we have to acquire and use them within the concept of the climate action. And this is also one of the SDGs that many countries are working towards.
I think we have a great opportunity with digital transformation, really build a new Mauritius, with education being the most important and urgent aspect to address.
We are actually seeing a total transformation about how we relate to knowledge, how we produce, how we consume, how we create. And I think we need to be 100% clear that there's still a massive human component to that.
The other thing is about expertise in the country to accompany organizations in this transformation journey.
And here the Chief People Officer will have a very important role to play, because they have to come up with the right strategies so that people who used to evolve in an analog environment can now continue evolving in a digital environment.
But we need to be better at the relationship between people and AI and people and technology.
And this is not magic wands. It's not something that will solve your problems. It's something that will enable new solutions.
But with technology today, there needs to be a shift, a fundamental shift in how we think about business models.
There's a lot to do with legislation. There's a lot to do with data protection. And there's a lot to do with education, as we can see. It came during the panel session of today. There's a need to have a close collaboration, a direct collaboration with the policymakers and people who actually make things happen in terms of business and operations.
I also think that we've once already had a total economic transformation from an agrarian economy to a financial services and now a technology economy. And I believe that Africa is our playground. If we really can understand that and use AI to accelerate product development, services and delivery, I think we can become an incredibly competitive player in this space.
I think that we need to be proud as a nation of what we've achieved so far. And I think that we have the foundation. There are some tweaks to do to the systems. But I think that overall, if we accelerate in some spaces, we will be ready pretty soon.